Hey guys, welcome to Chronicles, your one-stop destination for fitness and health tips. Today, we'll guide you through the best warm-ups before exercise. These moves will not only boost your performance but also protect you from those pesky injuries that can sideline your fitness journey. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started and warm those muscles up. First up, we're starting with a classic jumping jacks. You know how much I love a good cardio burst to kick things off. It's a full-body movement that wakes up all your muscles from head to toe. As you jump your legs out and raise your arms, focus on engaging your core and maintaining good posture. Feel that energy surge through your body with every jump. We'll do this for about a minute. Challenge yourselves to push a little further each time. Now that we've got our heart rate up, let's loosen up those shoulder muscles with some arm circles. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and extend your arms straight out to the sides. Start making small circles forward, gradually increasing the size of the circles as your muscles warm up. After about 30 seconds, reverse the direction of the circles, going backward. Remember, keep your core engaged and your back straight throughout the exercise. Good form is key, guys. Next up, we're targeting those hips and legs with some leg swings. Find a wall or a sturdy chair for balance and stand with your feet hip-width apart. Hold on to the support with one hand and start swinging one leg forward and backward like a pendulum. Do this for about 30 seconds on each leg, gradually increasing the range of motion as you warm up. Feel those hips loosen up. This is going to help you move better and prevent injuries. Now let's kick it up a notch with some high knees. This dynamic exercise is awesome for warming up your core and legs, while also giving your cardiovascular system another boost. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and start bringing your knees up towards your chest, one at a time. As you do this, pump your arms like you're running in place. Keep your core engaged and your back straight, and try to maintain a steady pace. We'll do this for about a minute, taking breaks when needed. Let's add a twist to our lunges. This dynamic move not only stretches your hips and thighs but also engages your core and back, making it a fantastic full-body warm-up exercise. Start by standing with your feet together. Step forward with your right foot and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the floor and your right knee is directly above your ankle. As you lunge, twist your upper body to the right, extending your left arm out and up. Engage your core throughout the movement and keep your back straight. Repeat on the other side, alternating legs with each lunge. We'll aim for 10 to 12 reps on each side. Time to activate those core muscles with some torso twists. This simple yet effective exercise improves spinal mobility and warms up your core, which is essential for maintaining good posture and stability during your workout. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and extend your arms straight out to the sides at shoulder level. Keep your core engaged and your back straight as you rotate your torso to the right, then to the left. Focus on feeling the stretch in your core and back. We'll do this for about 30 seconds, taking breaks when needed. Let's slow things down a bit and give our back some love with the cat-cow stretch. This yoga-inspired move is fantastic for improving spinal flexibility and releasing tension in your back and shoulders. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin towards your chest and pulling your belly button towards your spine. As you exhale, drop your belly towards the floor, lift your chest and tailbone towards the ceiling, and relax your head. We'll do this for about a minute, focusing on gentle and controlled movements. Last but not least, let's not forget about our ankles. Ankle rolls are crucial for improving ankle mobility and preventing sprains, especially if you're a runner or if your workout involves a lot of jumping. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and lift one foot slightly off the ground. Rotate your ankle in a circular motion, first clockwise, then counterclockwise. Make sure to move your ankle through its full range of motion. Repeat on the other side. We'll do this for about 30 seconds on each ankle. Remember guys, even small muscle groups like these need love too. And that's a wrap on our warm-up routine. You did amazing, guys. Now you're all set to crush your workout. Remember, warming up is key to staying injury-free and performing your best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fitness tips from Chronicles. See you in the next video.